Today we're making candy cane popcorn. Today we're going to be making a Christmas peppermint kettle corn. And what we're going to actually be doing is making kettle corn in our kettle corn popper. And then we're going to be adding these peppermint sugar sprinkles by Betty Crocker. We have a few bottles of this. We're going to add it to it. We're going to get ourselves a nice Christmas flavor. So let's get popping. 1.5 cups of corn oil, 3 cups of corn. All right, we're starting to pop. Now we're going to add in our sugar. If you want to get a Popcorn Genius recipe book, check out the link right down in the description. Just a reminder, there are links to all the products we're using here today right down in the description, so check that out. Alright, we got our nice hot kettle corn here. What we're going to do is we're going to hit this with a little bit of salt. Mix that up. And then we're going to hit it with our peppermint sprinkles. Oh yeah, look how festive that looks. We're going to hit it with a little bit more. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how awesome that is. Let's take a couple pieces and take a look at it. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah. Love kettle corn. One of my favorite flavors. But that little bit of peppermint on there, for one, this looks super festive, great for our holidays, great for Christmas. But that peppermint also adds just a little bit of that candy cane flavor right at the end there. Love this, great flavor. Remember, you can make flavors just like this. You just gotta get out there and get popping.